Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today we are going to look at some vocabulary relating to common fruit and vegetables. So let's start with fruit.
Apple, apple. I like apples. Banana, banana. Monkeys eat bananas. Orange, orange. She drinks orange juice. Grape, grape. Grapes are small. Watermelon, watermelon. We eat watermelon in summer. Pineapple, pineapple. Pineapple is sweet. Mango, mango. This mango is yellow. Strawberry, strawberry. I love strawberries. Blueberry, blueberry. Blueberries are blue. Raspberry, raspberry. Raspberries are red. Cherry, cherry. There is a cherry on the cake. Peach, peach. The peach is soft. Plum, plum. This plum is purple. Pear, pear. I eat a pear every day. Kiwi, kiwi. Kiwi is green inside. Papaya, papaya. Papaya is healthy. Lemon, lemon. Lemon is sour. Lime, lime. I drink water with lime. Coconut, coconut. Coconut water is fresh. Pomegranate, pomegranate. Pomegranate has many seeds. Avocado, avocado. I eat avocado with bread. Dragon fruit, dragon fruit. Dragon fruit looks beautiful. Fig, fig. Figs are sweet. Melon, melon. The melon is big. Passion fruit, passion fruit. Passion fruit juice is tasty.
Let's move on to vegetables.
Carrot, carrot. Rabbits eat carrots. Potato, potato. I like chips from potatoes. Tomato, tomato. Tomatoes are red. Onion, onion. The onion is strong. Garlic, garlic. Garlic has a strong smell. Lettuce, lettuce. I eat lettuce in salad. Cucumber, cucumber. Cucumber is fresh. Pepper, pepper. This pepper is green. broccoli, broccoli. Broccoli is healthy. Cauliflower, cauliflower. Cauliflower is white. Spinach, spinach. Spinach is good for you. Cabbage, cabbage. Cabbage is in soup. Aubergine, aubergine. Aubergine is purple. Courgette, courgette. Courgette is tasty. Sweet corn, sweet corn. Sweet corn is yellow. Peas, peas. Peas are small and green. Green beans, green beans. Green beans are long. Mushroom, mushroom. Mushroom I like on pizza. Celery, celery. Celery is crunchy. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Pumpkin is orange. Sweet potato, sweet potato. Sweet potato is sweet. Beetroot, beetroot. Beetroot is red. Radish, radish. Radishes are spicy. Ginger, ginger. Ginger tea is hot. Asparagus, asparagus. Asparagus is green.
Which is your favourite fruit or favourite vegetable? Let me know in the comments. And if there's any other vocabulary categories that you're interested in, tell me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.